Hey everyone, welcome to Portrait 4, and we're doing the same thing, Canva image prep. This is going to be super fast. I center my image and get all the information that I want it, to get in. And since this is a class specifically on faces and portraits, I don't need any other information about like what he's wearing too much. I'm going in with my rectangles and I'm going to see what colors Canva has sourced for my swatch, and there they are. Looks pretty good. And I duplicated the whole thing, and I'm just going to copy and paste it and find the colors that I'm going to have to match on the Golden website. I copy the hex code that they gave me, and then I can just go into Google and find the RGB code there and drop that RGB code into Golden. And I just realized that I accidentally found the hex code for the one of the neutral colors, so I need to go back and do the color that I had pulled up to the completely saturated version. And now I'm getting a cad red light. So that's what happened. And that's kind of the difference of how you, like if you were to source the color directly from your image, did you see how many options they gave you? All right, I also want to check and see what this blue is that they're giving me, because his sweater is being seen in the painting. So a cobalt blue will work nicely. And I have both of those colors, so it's going to be easy for me to move forward. So I desaturate my image and make sure it's in black and white before I print it in a PDF print. And again, the reason why we do PDF print is just in case you have an image that is very large and you'll need to tile it later. Okay, let's get on to the painting.